10, 9, ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Today's already a successful day. We've got a great turnout. A lot of people enjoying themselves, sitting down to take this information in. We get to the end of it and people are turn around and walk away with that bit more information, that bit more connectivity. That's our job done.
We're really lucky actually in the UK, and this is something that most of the other European countries don't have. We have a whole wealth of small, independent business partners who are specialists in their areas. They've gravitated towards this because we are a centre of excellence when it comes to education. So many of the people who sit in an audience to learn, well, they're actually specialists in their own areas. So we ask them to talk on their specialist subjects. So in many cases, they come to us. We don't have to ask.
I speak at these events because the community that we have here is important, and there's a lot of knowledge out there that benefits from being shared. IBM have given a lot of thought and put a lot of effort into bringing more modern technologies to the IBMI, and it's nice to spread that knowledge with other people as well.
I've always found that it's tailored, it's relevant, and the quality of people coming is very high.
Well, I in particular feel like a lot of times, especially in the area of database, it's hard to get education around it. Many of the enhancements that we've been making in the product get buried in our announcement letters and our announcement presentations. And so for me, it's an opportunity to tell people what's happening from the IBM perspective that is otherwise difficult for them to get that information.
We get a lot of information about upcoming changes and upcoming benefits from the IBM system, and it's a good chance to meet people, discuss different problems and come up with good solutions.
Groups like this, there's always been a need for them, there always will be a need for them. It's tough to get committed volunteers to consistently put in work to try and keep the group growing. I think we've conquered that now, we've got a really good group, and the group is really starting to make a difference. Well, NISOG's primarily about people getting together with like-minded attitude in a relaxed format and an ability to be able to exchange views and gather ideas from other people in the community. Well, it's been a great day, right from the introductory opening where we set the scene for the day, moving off down to Bletchley Park to see the Museum of Computing, listening to Bob Horner relate about what happened to code breaking during the war, then on to the more traditional presentations, and right the way through to Steve Will, who's showing us where the platform is now and where it's going into the future. It's been a great day.
Events like this are always excellent uses of my time. I get to hear from customers what they need from the platform, and that's so important as I design what the next systems will be.
Being a member of NISOG benefits me because it enables me to keep tabs on what's going on in the industry, hearing things directly from IBM and also through the various members of the NISOG committee. Keeps me in touch with things that otherwise I'd spend a lot of time surfing the web, finding out some things which are facts, some things which are fallacy.
As a sponsor, I think the main benefit is that we get to see a number of clients who are using the systems in a number of different ways, solving a number of business problems, and we get to understand those problems and help them solve them.
I speak a lot, as you know, around the world, and it's always nice to be close to home for a change. But definitely, it's been a great group here today.
We sponsor this event because being involved with NISOG or Common at their annual event like this, it's important to us simply because it's a whole ecosystem of IBMi people and we want to be part of that ecosystem.
Today, companies that are embracing smarter computing are tuning systems to the task. That means they're creating workload-optimized systems to help them reduce cost and improve performance.
We've optimized IBMi from top to bottom. We start at the hardware layer, work up through the microcode and software layer, all the way up into the middleware layer and database, so the clients know that everything has been designed and tested together for their business.
And that provides a foundation for thousands of industry applications.
This really ensures a higher quality of applications for your end users. Smarter companies are always evaluating their applications and looking to replace and modernize components. Tools such as Rational Developer for Power and Rational Team Concert do an excellent job in reviewing code and allowing companies to modernize through modules. Developers using Rational Developer for Power are realizing at least 20% productivity improvement on their day-to-day activities.
Many clients move from x86 platforms to running their business on IBMi because they're looking for reliability and security that they can find with this integrated operating system.
When you're considering your high availability environment, you need to look at all aspects of high availability. You need to protect your data as well as the hardware and any other single points of failure that you may have. IBMi in itself has always been a very resilient operating system. We built many things to increase the availability of IBMi in general. PowerHA is used by many companies in order to protect against both planned and unplanned outages, as well as to assist in doing offline backups.
Backup recovery in IBMi has always been an integrated part of the system. And now we have backup recovery and media services, which really makes backup recovery simple and easy to use. It also manages your backup, your archives, your recoveries, and it keeps track of what you save, where you save it, and when you save it. You really don't have a good backup unless you have absolutely tested your recovery.
With PowerHA System Mirror for I, it's very easy to do a switchover, which makes it easy to test that high availability environment.
Creating your own workload-optimized system on IBMi helps you as a business deliver higher quality services. IBM I at its core is tuned to the task of delivering highly optimized and resilient applications to your business.
Provides opportunity for IBM I clients to interact and learn new content. Whoops.
It is important to expand the knowledge of the customer base.
Because iPower is the best on the market.
Because it is a boiling pot of great ideas.
To protect the platform and access to networking people.
You're a hero, but you could be a superhero. You're fast, but you could be twice as fast. Faster than a speeding bullet fast. Introducing the next generation of IBM Power Systems, the most super-powered server family ever. You're doing a lot, but you could do everything. You could blaze new trails with the cloud-ready servers built with Power VM virtualization and designed to crush data-intensive mission-critical workloads. You could turn your analytics into a secret weapon and uncover earth-shattering insights disguised in raw data with next-level AI integration capabilities. You're secure, but you could be invincible. With 24/7 operational uptime and security and recovery features, you could move more information in less time at microsecond speed. You could up your agility and cost efficiency with room to scale in AIX, IBM I, and Linux environments. You could do it all on the servers that are ready for everything you need today and everything you need tomorrow. You're a hero, but you could be a superhero. You're powerful, but you could be super powerful. IBM Power Systems for smarter business.
AI is changing the way the world works, making business faster, smarter, and more secure. At IBM, we're helping companies put AI to work at scale, giving them an unparalleled business advantage. With Watson, businesses are personalizing customer experiences, streamlining processes, minimizing risk, and sparking innovation. With Watson, engineers are keeping millions of elevators moving, predicting when they will break down and proactively fixing them. With Watson, Banks are deploying virtual agents trained on thousands of customer inquiries, helping them provide expert service to millions of customers 60% faster. With Watson, a range of industries from healthcare to automotive to telecom to education are working faster and transforming workflows. Businesses everywhere are building their future with Watson.
What if there were systems that were able to improve and guide our decision making, not complicate it? What if these systems could find patterns in data that the naked eye can't see and speak to you in the way that you want to be spoken to?
What are the travel conditions to work this morning?
Traffic is pretty grim on the Chelsea Bridge. Otherwise, you are good to go. Don't forget your helmet.
The future will be one where we advance our skills and expertise through the use of systems, but it will feel more seamless and natural in every interaction we have. The future is now, and the future is cognitive. IBM's Watson is helping medical professionals match treatment plans for those diagnosed with cancer. It's helping students navigate their way through university rather than overloading them on information. Watson is at work helping financial advisors make the right decisions for you with the right information to hand. Now, all sales assistants are more informed to help you make the right purchasing decision. But that requires a great platform that can manage and crunch vast quantities of data, text, images, and beyond. No small task for a system that needs to respond in seconds.
The required documents, such as a claim to a landing or a certificate of insurance, for instance.
With an open, scalable platform that unleashes the potential of innovation, the cognitive era is now, and it runs on IBM Power Systems.
And now for something completely different.
The eye! The eye!
Do you see the light?
The eye!
Do you see the light? What light? Have you seen the light? Yes!
It is the open source on IBM i.
I have seen the light!
Excuse me, are you aware of what's happening right now? We're facing 20 billion security events every day. DDoS campaigns, ransomware, malware attacks.
Actually, we just handled all the priority threats.
You did that?
We did that.
Really?
We analyzed millions of articles and reports.
We can identify threats 50% faster.
You can do that?
We can do that.
Then do that.
Can we do that?
We can do that.
Introducing the IBM Quantum System 2, the building block of quantum-centric supercomputing. Quantum System 2 isn't just a standalone system, it was designed to be extensible, supporting up to 4,158 qubits with additional control racks added. It was also designed to be modular, so multiple Quantum System 2s can connect cryostats with long-range couplers connecting the processors, supporting up to 8,316 qubits, and with 3 System 2s, a remarkable 16,632 qubits. In a data center environment, classical or AI racks can be swapped out to extend the computational capacity of the system. We will be unveiling our first working system at the Quantum Summit in late 2023. Thank you.
AI has the power to automate. But if it's using untrusted data, can you trust the results? Your business doesn't just need AI, it needs the right AI for your business. Introducing Watson X, a platform designed to multiply output by tailoring AI to your needs. When you Watson X your business, you can train, tune, and deploy AI, all with your trusted data. Let's create the right AI for your business with Watson X. IBM, let's create.